Alright, so I want to make this video. It's a really quick one. The thing is that we are going about goal achieving wrong, all wrong. In order to achieve anything, you have to focus on the process. Okay, what does that mean? So, for example, me. I used to focus on my stomach. Every single morning, I would wake up and I would feel my stomach. I would feel it. Do I have abs yet? No, I don't. Fuck my life. And that's how I'd go about my day, okay? That is absolutely the best way to never achieve your goals. My goal is having abs, right? I would love to, for the first time in my life, have like a nice hourglass shape and be confident naked and at the beach, okay? I would love to be confident in wearing, you know, whatever I want. So in order to achieve that goal, I need to stop thinking about the goal, okay? Stop focusing on the goal. I needed to start focusing on the process. What is the process? Okay, so I know that in order to achieve this goal, I need to work out. I need to have a schedule, okay? So I need to make sure and focus on what do I gotta do today. That's it. Not how do I look, how do I feel, am I upset, I don't have abs yet. So what I want you to do is I want you to get a little index card, okay, and write the things you want to accomplish. Make it no more than 3 a day. I have another video on this. You're gonna write down those 3 things. You're gonna write the days of the week, and you're just gonna, as you accomplish it, you're gonna check it off. Or you can use a great app called Way of Life. What you wanna do though, the point of these things is you want to focus on the process, not the goal. If you constantly are focusing on the goal, like for example, if you have a goal to have, you know, $10,000 in the bank, and you wake up every day and check your bank account, and you have a negative $26, like some of us, then you're not gonna get there because you're not gonna have the motivation. You're gonna be overwhelmed by how far you have to go, okay? You wanna focus on the process. Focus on the process. The key to achieving our goals is to master the day. When you just worry about your daily goals and you do what you gotta do to master the day, you guarantee getting to where you wanna be, okay? Everything is a process. Become a processed, focused person, and you will absolutely achieve your goals. Thank you for watching.